Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. It's time to unleash the beast, the Triumph Street Twin EC1 limited edition. You know, sometimes you just need that perfect blend of classic style and modern performance. That's the 900 parallel twin, pumping out 64 horsepower at 80 Newton meters of torque, enough to get you moving but still smooth and maneuverable. Threading through traffic, carving corners, the bike is a joy to ride. The handling is nimble, it feels like an extension of yourself. And with that 18-inch front wheel and the 17-inch rear, you've got plenty to feel on the road. Brembo brakes, ABS and that linked braking system gives you the confidence in any situation, and that 30.1 inch seat height makes it easy to maneuver around town. But it's not just about the ride, it's about the statement. The Street Twin EC1 is a limited edition, meaning you're not just buying a bike, you're joining a club, and those details, pure craftsmanship. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you're going to hit that subscribe button to tell the YouTube algorithm that you liked this video. As some of you may have known, I used to work at Yamazaki on small capacity motorcycles, but now I've moved on to pure Triumph in Woburn, working on bigger bikes and on the front desk. So I do have access to a wider variety of motorcycles, so stay tuned and we will get more videos out on these bikes in the future. I apologize for not uploading so methodically as I used to, but going into a brand new job, learning a lot of new skills takes it out of you, and something had to give. And the easiest thing was to stop doing this. But now that I am settled, I can come back and start producing more videos for you guys. So stay tuned and remember, hit that subscribe button, it helps me out a great deal. As always, ride safe.